In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in a Glide app. Let's get started by firing up your browser and searching for Glide apps. If you're new to the platform or need a quick refresher, Glide is a powerful app builder that lets you create beautiful, functional apps directly from a Google Sheet. It's an excellent tool for both beginners and experienced developers, offering a wide range of features to explore. Now, once you've found and opened the official Glide website, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. The process is straightforward. Just enter your email address, create a password, and you'll be set to begin. You'll immediately access the Glide dashboard upon logging in, presenting you with various options. Here, you have a choice. You can either create a new app or use an existing one. If you're just starting, it might be easier to work with an app you've already set up so you can get the hang of things without starting from scratch. Next, direct your attention to the Components section of the interface. You'll find a plus icon beside these components. Give it a click, and from the menu that appears, find and select Comments. This is where the magic happens, as this component enables your app users to post their thoughts and feedback directly into the app. Moving on to the right sidebar under the General tab, you'll need to select the source for your comments component. This usually links to a Google Sheet or any other data source you're using. Make sure this is correctly set up, as it's critical for storing and displaying comments. Now, you'll want to add a title for the comments section, although it's usually labeled as Comments by default. Feel free to customize it if you wish. It's all about setting the right tone and context for your users. Continuing under the Display Data section, you have the option to customize various elements such as text, timestamp, author photo, and author name. This level of customization allows you to ensure the comments are visually aligned with your app's design and branding. Before wrapping up, explore the Options section. Here you can limit the number of times comments can be submitted, adjust page sizes, determine what shows on an empty screen, tweak button text, and decide what happens after a comment is submitted. Each of these settings helps tailor the user experience to fit your app's specific requirements. Finally, and this is crucial, don't forget to publish your app after making changes. This ensures that all your hard work goes live and your users can start interacting with the newly added comments feature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these steps helpful in enhancing your Glide app with a comments feature.